new education policy in Indian education.
Yeah.
To what extent have its objectives been achieved so far, and how progress remains to be made?
That's a very interesting question that you ask. And if you talk about the progress, I think we are far off from what the policy is all about. The policy emphasizes on learning, on skills, and the flexibility. But the real question is, are the schools, colleges, or universities in India adapting that flexibility? I feel that in the education system, and of course, after having a very interesting panel on future of education and technology is still being perceived as a threat, but technology is an enabler, right? Humans created this technology, so we should master the skills of managing it and not the other way around. So, teachers are feeling that technology is going to take over, AI is going to take over, but it is not a threat, right? Teachers can use it to their advantage to empower students and make them future ready. In this thread and in this competition, we are forgetting what the students need. And I think if we don't evolve at that pace, we are at a risk of raising a generation who would be directionless. Technology is not stopping, right? If evolution is not stopping, but how do we use it and how do we implement it? Like data literacy, digital literacy, all of these skills are very important. For example, in the UK, in that education system, practical learning, critical thinking, project based learning is implemented from very initial days, whereas in India, it's still rote learning. I'm not against rote learning, but the critical thinking element or the project based element is still missing in a lot of schools.
Moving forward, in your view, what role are AI and emerging technology playing in shaping the future of education?
I think it's very important, just how mobile phone, Wi-Fi and internet is important. I would strongly emphasize that it should not take over somebody's brain and somebody's way of living. You should not be dependent on it because everyone has their own individual personality and perspective. So that balance needs to be there, and that balance could only be bought by school and by parents. Right? Now there are countries which are implementing textbooks again or saying no phone policy in school. I feel that's extreme. So when you go into the extreme, either you make it too technological or either you make it too traditional. And that's where even the student's brain gets confused. But if you balance it, I think then the risk is less, and the way the child adapts to these new things, it's better. So,
Thank you.
no worries.